I grow out my hair to be thick, shiny, and strong. Hi, I'm Shyla, certified aromatherapist, and I love teaching you how to turn your essential oils you can use every day in your home. In this video, I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite oils that I like to use for my hair, argan oil, and I'll show you how to use it in a recipe that you can use at home. Argan oil is Simply Earth's newest carrier oil that is amazing for your hair. It's super smooth, it's luxurious, and it makes your hair extra shiny. So turn off those distractions because making is healing. Let's get started with this recipe from this month's box. Before I tell you what you'll need for this recipe, we at Simply Earth are obsessed with helping you turn your essential oils into all natural products. This recipe comes from Simply Earth's DIY hair care recipe box. When you subscribe to our DIY recipe box, you'll get the key ingredients that you'll need to make this recipe along with other natural recipes. We'll even throw in a big bonus box when you subscribe. You can also find everything you'll need at simplyearth.com. I'm going to be grabbing my ingredients from Simply Earth's DIY hair care box. First, I'm gonna grab my recipe card and then I'll grab all of my ingredients and lay them out on the table. Argan oil nourishes, strengthens, and literally makes your hair shine. Almond oil helps moisturize and strengthen hair. We have a 1 ounce spray bottle to make our recipe in, and head soothing essential oil. Our head soothing essential oil blend smells amazing and it helps support a healthy scalp. We also need ylang ylang for this recipe. This recipe is super fast, super easy, and only uses 4 ingredients. First, you're gonna unscrew your cap from your spray bottle. I'm gonna use a funnel just to make sure everything gets into the bottle. First things first, we're gonna add a tablespoon of almond oil. Next, we're gonna add a tablespoon of argan oil. Last but not least, we're gonna add in 2 drops of head soothing and 1 drop of ylang ylang. Now I'm gonna take my funnel out, put on my lid, shake my bottle to make sure my essential oils and carrier oil are evenly dispersed. To use, separate your hair with your fingertips and then spray onto your scalp and massage the oil in. You also can use it on the ends of your hair or in the middle of your hair, totally up to you. Use a scalp massager or your fingertips to gently massage the oil onto your head. Use circular motions until you have it evenly incorporated onto your scalp to help promote circulation and scalp health. You can leave the oil on your hair overnight or as long as desired. Follow up with washing your hair and doing your normal hair routine. All right, now that I've given you the instructions, don't forget your label. This hair oil will last around 6 months and up to a year if it's stored correctly. Let's test it out. It feels great on my scalp and I'm really liking it. I bet my hair is too. I absolutely love seeing all of your recipes on social media. So when you're done making this recipe or any recipe from the box, go ahead and take a picture and tag from Simply Earth with the hashtag I made this so I can see all your lovely creations too. You'll automatically be entered into our I Made This challenge and you could win a $5 gift card. Follow us for more natural recipes just like this.